Front bumper scratch. Small scratches like this. Use this local paint job. Try to preserve the original paint as much as possible. Start by sanding the damaged area. Shallow injuries can be sanded directly. For more serious damage, we can apply a thin layer of alloy grey. A thin layer is sufficient. After scraping, smooth the surface. Remove any excess material. Spray a coat of 2-component primer on the sanded area. Apply a thin layer. Avoid spraying the primer too thick. After the primer has dried, sand it again. Once smooth, prepare for painting. Remove dust and grease. This car has a pearl black paint. It needs 2 coats of black pearl. Apply 2 coats. After the pearl coat, allow a few minutes of drying time. Then apply a clear coat. Apply 2 coats of clear coat as well. The first coat should be light. The second coat should be heavier. Check the finish and overall effect. Episode 2: Paint damaged by hail. Episode 3: Repairing scratches on the fender. Episode 4: Repairing rear wheel arch and door dents.